Please subscribe.
Kia's Meadow is the power to surprise, but as far as the 2019 Optima is concerned, the mid-cycle refresh leaves many to be desired. Leaving the criticism aside for a moment, the facelift for the 4th-gen Optima came 3 years after the mid-size sedan went on sale in Kia's domestic market. Known as the K5 and manufactured at the Hwaseong assembly plant, the Optima features a reshaped tiger nose grille with vertical slats. The headlights are different, as are the DRLs and LED-accented fog lights. All in all, the name of the game at the front of the car is angular. Moving on to the rear end, here you'll find a tacky-looking aerodynamic diffuser, different graphics for the taillights, and a shinier exhaust tip compared to the pre-facelift Optima. From the profile, it's hard to tell if anything's changed with the value-oriented sedan. Opening the driver's door reveals one of those changes in the form of an LED puddle lamp. Priced from $22,700,000, approximately $21,340 at current exchange rates, the 2019 Kia Optima benefits from a handful of revisions on the inside, starting with the design of the engine start button. The steering wheel and instrument cluster, more advanced voice recognition, advanced smart cruise control, Evo 3.0 infotainment with complimentary telematics service, and Grille premium audio are some of the highlights. On the subject of powertrain options, the South Korea spec Optima is available with 4. The range starts with the 2.0-liter gasoline 4-cylinder engine, and continues with the 1.6-liter turbo, 1.7-liter turbo diesel, and liquefied petroleum gas-capable version of the 2.0-liter planned. The Optima Hybrid and Optima Plug-in Hybrid are next in line for facelifting, and both of the models should arrive at dealers by year's end. Kia hasn't announced when the Optima will introduce the mid-cycle refresh in Europe and the United States of America, but knowing the swiftness of the automaker, it won't be long now. The starting price for the 2018 model year Optima in the US is $22,600 excluding destination, whilst the European version kicks off at €25,090 in Germany.